How are you all? So I'm on this job in Bristol. It's not stopped raining since I got up here, really. And the trouble I'm up against, I'm washing blue engineering bricks. So I'm washing the effervescence and lime scale and calcium as well, which is going really well. But I want to, obviously, because I work with chemical, I don't want to bore you. I don't want to bore you, but I don't like staff. I don't want staff. So my compensation is I work with chemicals, so I can work on 3 or 4 different fronts all at the same time, even though it's just little old me. So I put all my chemical on the blues, and it's pissed, so the blues won't pull your chemical in because it's they're too shiny. So it runs off. It's a deck. So you've got to kind of try and get on there, stay on there as long as possible. So, but all this rain, so I've just dosed up some blues. And basically this rain has just fucking washed a lot off, and I'm trying to finish off the effervescence. And so the effervescence is different because the blockwork is pulling it in, but the rain is hitting the blockwork and it's diluting what I'm putting on. So I might have to go fucking home. But there you go. Hope you're having a good day. Bye bye.